Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Will here. So this morning I'm sending here, this is the ES futures here. We have some economic data come in. It's pretty much not much change. So most likely we will see either one of these two levels here show today, either the 3850 level that I have marked here in the square, or we have the 3659. We may not get to that, but at least, let's see here, at least this level here, 3678 for the end of the week, unless something changes. Currently, I'm showing the 30 minutes point of control, which is around the 3775. So those levels are good to keep in mind. Let's see here. Next, we had the AQs, where I show some levels as well, around 11,668 to the upside and 11,189, which one percent the point of control on the high side, and the other one is the value area low for the NQ. We have the minute also, of course. This one hasn't had that much movement so far this morning. For the last couple of days, you can see here all the way from 1780s with a high of 1795. And now we went back to the point of control. That's what these indices have been doing lately. Next thing here, let's see the Dow. Of course, it has a behavior similar to the other indices as well. And this one has not come down yet to its point of control on the 30 minutes, which is something to be expected to happen, especially in a day like today, which is the end of quarter. It's something to be expected. Let's see here. AMC, I do have some shares on, not shares, I have options on AMC. The 14 strikes, 15 strikes, and also the 20 strikes. I saw there's some nice price action here. You can see this one if you think of Elliott Wave, for example, which I don't like to show here because it can be misleading and it's also a lagging indicator. But it's good to keep in mind for some of the levels or as far as behavior goes. We definitely see the swing high here. Then it bottoms here, this pullback to around 13, see here, 1332. Then now it's been around that level. So usually that third leg is normally bigger than the first leg, which would imply that if this swing high was from 12 all the way to 14, we could see a good $4 to $5 move from this point. From the 1330, so implying, it's 15 to, let's see here, about 17 to $20 level. Let's see here. Next, we have Amazon here. Okay, Amazon has been pulling off, and now it's consolidating here around the 30-minute point of control. I've been following this 30-minute point of control. I've been back testing it quite a bit, and it looks like most stocks, to include the indices, they've been going to those levels. And just in case, these lines that I show here, these are the Darvas box levels here. I like to use those mainly on the daily, which is Darvas boxes. They're pretty good. See here, CCL, not much there. I play some calls at the 950 expiring tomorrow and 950 strikes. So let's see what happens with that. STZ, I played some bearish trades on that yesterday. I didn't expect much from them. I don't think that during this inflation that people have been drinking or spending that much money drinking. Well, hopefully, if they do, that'll be a bad thing. And let's see here. Yeah, for HTC, the levels I have, I play some bear call spreads, selling the 240 and buying the 240, 250, I believe it was, yeah. Or this is the 10-year treasury. I need to update this box, make it a little bit lower. But the plan is here that if we go to the daily, this should be then trading within this box here. That was the intent. That's when the 30 minutes, the box looks a little bit big for the chart, but you get the idea on that. And Tesla has been definitely coming down here. A lot of people have been bearish on that. On the short term, from yesterday, I'll be slightly bullish since he hit the Darvas box. And then there, I will have a price target of around, let's see here, from 710 all the way to the 750, which is a little bit aggressive. Between the next 1 to 2 weeks, I would like to see this price target around 756, 750. And then for earnings, I will be basically bearish on Tesla. Again, for earnings, I will be bearish for Tesla. Hopefully, I get to play some conservative trades on that. And let's see where we go from there. And very important, I do have the VIX here. Let me go to the daily. On the daily, you can see my levels, some of the levels here. So far this morning, the VIX is showing 29.56. It has not been moving quite a lot lately. It's been pretty muted lately. But as long as we remain below 30, I would not expect like a massive move in the indices to the downside. As long as we remain under 30, like I say, there's always hope to possibly buy a dip on an intraday basis. Swing trades, those have not been working so much for most of the stocks, industries or sectors. So it's something to keep an eye on. Let's see, something that's very important here is it's the dollar. So for this morning, the dollar is showing at 105.35, as you can see here. As long as the dollar remains above that, it's hard to be bullish because that basically put a lot of pressure on the markets, on the price of equities. So for now, that should be it. Hopefully you enjoy. I place some comments down below. Hit those likes, let me know what you like, what you don't like. This is actually my second video ever streaming for YouTube. I plan to make this even better, and eventually in the future, it'll be live streaming for a good portion of the day. All right, enjoy, happy trading, guys, and have a great day. Bye.